Welcome to Financial Future, your go-to channel for the latest updates on financial matters. I'm excited to share some crucial information with you today, so let's dive right in. Get ready for multiple stimulus checks, and we're talking up to $1,300 this month, and November is packed with financial news you don't want to miss. Let's start with the headlines. Stimulus check November update. People eligible for payments in 3 states. And yes, we're talking about those $1,300 checks arriving on November 16. Who qualifies and in which state? Stick around to find out. And if you're on Social Security, you'll want to pay close attention. Discover who will receive $1,800 from Social Security on November 15. I'll be breaking down all the details for you. But hold on, there's more. The looming threat of a government shutdown is causing concern. Stay tuned to get the latest on the potential shutdown and other important updates that could impact your financial future. Before we dive into the main content, if you appreciate these regular updates, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Future. Now, let's get into the latest updates. The new U.S. House Speaker is trying to muster Republicans to avert a government shutdown. The deadline has been extended, but the gridlock continues, affecting the nation's credit rating and borrowing costs. Stay tuned for more on this developing situation. Now, back to those stimulus checks. In Alabama, taxpayers can expect up to $300, with payments scheduled to go out beginning November 30. Arizona residents are also in for an updated stimulus check, with tax refunds for those with dependents set to arrive by November 15. Moving on to Virginia, residents can anticipate payments by November 30. As long as they had a tax liability in 2022. Single filers can receive $200, while joint taxpayers get $400. These rebates aim to help with inflation and high prices. And let's not forget Alaska, where $1,300 checks are set to arrive by November 16. Over 8,000 applications were received, injecting nearly $1 billion into the state's economy. For those on Social Security, the latest round of payments is scheduled for November 15. Stay tuned for details on who qualifies and how much they'll receive. That wraps up our financial updates for today. If you're in Alabama, Arizona, or Virginia, let me know in the comments if you're expecting any of these checks. And as always, your financial well-being is our priority here at Financial Future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our video on an extra $860 potentially coming your way in January if you're on Social Security. Thank you for watching Financial Future. Take care, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.